Guys, welcome back to Schofield Welding. Man, we have a pretty fun little video we're going to do today. But first of all, what we need to do is mount this little vise right here. This little vise is a Harbor Freight vise. I think I spent, maybe 60 bucks, 70 bucks on it. Nothing crazy, anybody can get one. I'm not going to be beating on like a Wilson vise or something like that. So this vise is going to be perfect for us. But what we got to do is we got to build a mount plate for it, which is all laid out right here. All I did was just put it on there, traced out the outside of it, marked out where the holes are. Pretty simple. But we got it laid out, so what we need to do is get this thing cut out really quick and then take it to the drill press, drill our holes, clean it all up, mount the vise, and then we're going to use a piece of tubing that'll come off of this and mount to the table. So you can mount these to your trucks, you can do all sorts of stuff with them, but for us in the shop, we're just going to mount to the table. If you do go to mount this on a truck, be really sure that like all this stuff is, put a light coat of paint on it or something, because it is going to rust out riding on the back of a truck. So just be mindful of that. So we're going to heat this up pretty good just because it is 1/2 inch plate. And we want an icy weld cut, alright? Old Isaac out of Texas, he knows how to cut some freaking thick plate. The dude is so steady with a torch. Something I envy.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. I'm trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire
like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo.